All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview for March 20th, 2023 to March 24th, 2023. So, important announcements, no school on Monday, and then Friday, my office hours are 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So, it's quarter two, week 9. Pretty crazy getting in a quarter 3 here. So, Monday, no school. Tuesday, you have the lesson personality testing with the key terms there objective testing and projective testing. Wednesday in live class, we will understand the results of personality tests with the CYU objective and projective testing. Thursday, you have the discussion board on psychological testing. And then Friday, in live class, we'll kind of wrap up our chapter here on psychological testing with the discussion board female and male brains, a fun little video there to show you who exactly or is anyone smarter than another sex? Are females smarter than males? Are males smarter than females? Or are we both basically equal? So I hope you have a great week. Please reach out with any questions or concerns.